In Las Vegas. Here is the front yard of the property that I'm staying at currently. Been here for about 2 weeks. It's my buddy's old car. Got a lot of birds around here. Little kid area. Put all the kids' toys over here. This is the front yard. A bus. I don't know what we're gonna do with that. It's already halfway renovated. Dumpster diving food for the goats. Gotta dumpster dive the food for the goats until we get this pasture in. Well, we don't have to, but it helps. These goats eat a lot. So here's baby goat. Say good morning, baby goat. Baby goat. Baby goat's growing up on us here. I just hosed everything down. This is the trench that we've been working on. Just got to get some PVC pipe, install it. Ran some water this morning. Hosed everything down. It's supposed to be really windy. Here's a hole for a tree that we're going to be installing. We're going to put another hole in this area. Some firewood. Big old tree. Trying to get these trees going again. These trees had a sprinkler system connected, but it got torn out over the years. That trencher helped out a lot. Got these pine trees. So yeah, all the ground cover that we took down from those pine trees over there, from the house next door, put down over here. Have like a little chill area now. Got some chicken, little rinky-dink chicken thing in here. Although they're not laying eggs in there yet. Put down a lot of ground cover. It's our milking goat. What's up, girl? How you doing? It's pretty glorious. Let's see if I can take a picture of that. I guess not. Huh. Oh well. That'd be a cool picture. Oh, look at you. Yeah, these goats know how to open up the fence. Good morning, girl. How you doing? How you doing, girl? What's up? What's up? Got to run off. That one's always running off on me. That's the non-milking goat. Good morning, girl. How you doing, girl? Good morning. Oh, he wants to say hi now too. What's up, Billy? What's up, mister? Hey, guy. You go, guy. Yeah. Goats are pretty awesome. Kind of ornery, but they're very lovable. Huh, mister? You good guy. Yeah, you good guy. You want to be on camera too. You know what's going on. You know what's up. Oh yeah, you go guy, right there, huh? Right there. Oh yeah. All right. There you go. Sometimes when I love him too much, he wants to play around and butt heads, but all in good fun till I get gored. All right. Well, there's much more I've done, but this is just a little morning update. Oh yeah, the chickens ate all our kale. Ha. But oh well.